Today in this video gonna to show you how to manage sound settings in Windows 10 using run command line. So guys, if you want to manage sound settings in Windows 10 using run command line, it's very easy. Firstly, star plus R key tap. After type here mmsys.cpi. After click on OK. There is recording sounds combinations. So guys, this is very easy and simple. Firstly, star plus R key, type star plus R key and type here mmsys dot cpl. After click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to manage sound setting in Windows 10 using run command line. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.